Hi friends, in this video I tell you about Godaddy. How to create account in Godaddy. Set up a new account on Godaddy step by step in 2021. Okay. Okay, let's begin. How do I sign up for Godaddy accounts? First of all, go to you can enter the domain names in Godaddy domain name search bars. Click add to cart. If desired, register additional extension to protect your online brand. Click add to cart. For each additional domain name, click continue to cart. Select a domain privacy plan or click no thanks. Okay. Can I have Godaddy accounts? How to create an email accounts in Godaddy? Is it free to can count? Okay. How to buy name domain in 3 steps. Upcoming events. See how our commerce options can help your business adapt to the shifting landscape. At Godaddy open 2021 on September 28. What's the importance of understand how to buy domain names for entrepreneurs in the process of starting a new ventures? Getting a domain name is one of the first steps you will take to build an online presence. You need to buy domain name for your business so you can create a website which will allows ideals, clients, and customer to find you online. A domain name is a big part of your business identity, so it's important to buy domain names that will accurately represent your business and that's easy for people to remember. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know about buying domain names. Will covers. Buying domain names may seem like a daunting process. After all, there are so many domain extension, domain name registers to choose from. It can be quite difficult to know where to start. However, once you know what is involved in buying a domain names, the process becomes pretty straightforward. There are 3 steps that you have to follow to buy domain names. You should choose a reputable registered company that satisfies several criteria to ensure your domain name is in the right hands. Who explores to those criteria. There are several factors you want to consider when selecting your domain name registers, but before going into those details, let's break things down a bit and explain a few different terms. Register to a company such as Goddady that manage the domain names registration process. Like the middleman, the register works with the registrars in order to deliver domain to end. So now that you are a bit more familiar with the register relationship works, Godaddy